You think it's not?
Can I talk?
Yeah, if you want. So that's the police station.
What's that? What's already now?
And that's what's left of everything else. Well, it's the court bit has gone, but the police station's still there. Show me.
Hello YouTube, we're going in the wax swamp.
So there you go. That's what's left in what month we're in? June.
Hello! Hello YouTube! YouTube is very good! YouTube!
So that's all that bit that we walked around, Mikey. And this was the car park, the multi-story. Well, it wasn't multi-story, was it?
Oh,
I know.